I would like
to welcome you, Bula Vinaka. I'd like to welcome you to the embassy, our special envoy for the Pacific States, Ambassador Jess.
Thank you very much. Naka.
Prime Minister Kamali. And
congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prime Minister.
Naka.
Shortly, the proceedings permanent national anthem. I kindly invite Honorable Prime Minister and then
we stand united under noble banner as we honor and defend the course of freedom ever. Onward march together.
Welcome once again, Honorable Prime Minister, with Fiji, between Germany and Fiji.
closer together. So I'm not
I think, well, I know it's a very important occasion for Fiji, with one of the greatest powers in the Pacific coming back and setting up the embassy here in Fiji. Those of us who study history will know that Germany had a very, very strong relationship with the Pacific. And for us in Fiji, it is also very important we understand the success that Nandave has had over the years, and Hansidel Foundation was one of those that came from Germany to set up that institution. They're coming to set up an office here in Fiji at this time is very significant. Fiji is 3 years older than the Federal Republic of Germany. We became a republic in '87, and they, after the reunification, became an independent after Fiji's Republican declaration. So we are glad to be hosting a younger republic who has had a longer historical association with the Pacific. And we were talking about culture and traditions. Germany is one of the longest powers in engineering and science, and the world is going through that evolution at the stage where we are hoping science will bring back better sciences that will prevent the destruction of the sciences of the past. And engineering. We have a lot of engineering requirements in Fiji, and the discussion we've had has opened up doors for further discussions on on some of our requirements in that area. And they'd be very interested to know that we still have some German names in our family trees here in Fiji at this time. And there is in the Officers' Mast in the Republic of Fiji Military Forces the flag of the great German Admiral von Lackner. And hopefully it will find a place in German history or even in the embassy nowadays.
Any further areas we can expect collaboration in, sir?
In development, and also particularly at this time in our strive towards climate change issues, and they are very willing. The Special Envoy has assured us of their cooperation, so we have another strong, powerful friend to fight with us in that area.
We are very pleased to open our latest embassy here in Suva, in Fiji. It's a great honor and privilege that Prime Minister Rabuka gave us the honor to inaugurate our embassy. We are here to deepen German-Fijian relations, and this is very timely since we celebrate this year the 50th anniversary of German-Fiji diplomatic relations. We are here to make a contribution in many fields, like the Prime Minister said, in development, but also in trade and investment, in tourism, even in sports, and of course in culture. And so we hope that with this embassy we will deepen and broaden our bilateral relationship.
I guess in choosing Fiji as the site for the embassy also shows the prominence that the country has in terms of the relationship.
Fiji is the hub of the Pacific, and we chose Fiji because it's one of the most important Pacific Island states, has good connectivity, and is also the seat to many regional organizations like the Pacific Island Forum. So for us it made much sense to open an embassy here in Suva.
Can you just tell us about the staffing at the embassy and what sort of services people can expect from the embassy?
Well, we are still in the starting phase of the embassy. We have 3 diplomats from Germany and 4 local staff, but I'm sure we will expand in the future as we will be dealing with many different subjects in politics, economics, and culture, but also in combating the adverse effects of climate change.
And having the embassy open here in SSA is an indication of the spreading and the increase of the area of the Suva Central business area. We are growing. Suva is growing, so Fiji is growing, and this is a very good indication for further development to move out of the CBD of Suva.
Ma'am, if you'd like to add on anything about the embassy's opening and what it means for the Pacific region as a whole.
Yes, we are also very glad that we are opening the embassy today. The ambassador just said that there are also many regional organizations here in Suva. So this is an occasion also to deepen relations with the organizations, plus the high commissions that are here from the island states. So I think this is a perfect opportunity also to deepen that and deepen the discussion about the areas where we want to cooperate. Thank you.
And the national anthem. Many Methodists in Fiji will recognize the tune. One of the most well-known hymns in our Fijian hymn book. Naka.
Naka, sir. Thank you so much.
Well done. Thank you, sir. Congratulations. Thank you. Naka. And not only go and try and build or beautify the one they already have in Suva, but also spread out. Absolutely.
Naka.
Thank you very much.
Naka. Prime Minister.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure and an honor.
Naka.
Great honor for us.
Naka.